The topic is how to draw a graph in mathematics. So first you have to, the most important step is to find the domain of the function. Domain is nothing but the values of x for which the function is defined. So before drawing any graph, it is very important to know the values of x for which the function is defined. So that is called as domain. Next, we have to plot the wavy curve of the function y. So wavy curve tells us about the sign of the function. So we know the values of x for which the function is positive and the values of x for which the function is negative, and also the zeros of the function. Next, we have to find the first derivative of the function y. So finding the first derivative helps us to find the critical points. Those are the points at which maxima or minima exist. So equating the first derivative to 0 and finding out the points at which first derivative is 0 gives us the points where the maxima or minima lie. So again here we have to draw the wavy curve of first derivative also. So after drawing the first wavy curve of first derivative, the values of x for which the first derivative is greater than 0 indicates the values of x for which the function is increasing, and if the first derivative is less than 0, that means the function decreases. So the range of interval of x for which phi dash is greater than 0 indicates the values or the range for which the function increases. So it is also important to know where the function is increasing and where the function is decreasing, and where the function is having maxima or minima. That we can do by using first derivative. Next, we have to find the double derivative of the function. Using double derivative, we can tell if the function is having concave up or concave down. So again, by drawing the double derivative of the function, so we can find if it is open up or down. Next, we have to find the limits of the function at x tends to positive and negative infinity, so that we know what is the value of the function at both extremes. And also, if there are any points where the function is not defined in the domain, it is better to find the limits at those points, both left hand limit and right hand limit. So this is how this is the procedure to follow to draw the graph. So let us see more examples in the upcoming videos how to draw the graphs.